Hey guys, I'm very excited to review for you today the UWANT V500 cordless vacuum cleaner. I will be comparing it with the Klarpul cordless vacuum cleaner. Honestly, I've gone through a lot of different vacuums. I've reviewed a lot of different vacuums. This is a very standard vacuum that you can get on Amazon. This one takes all of the cons of this one and truly is, I'm not even kidding, revolutionary. Completely changed the way that I vacuum, completely changed how easy and enjoyable it is to use, and the results for me speak for themselves. At the very least, the convenience, the power, everything unmatched. So let's get started. Now the first main advantage of the UWANT would be its all-in-one docking station. It features this nice integrated storage right here with built-in charging. You'll see it's plugged in just like that. And it even features auto dust collection. I also love how our station here has slots specifically built in for those extra attachments. We've got the nozzle right here, the brush right there. I'm not even gonna lie, when I was first setting up the vacuum, gonna get started using it and testing it out, the one thing I was like, oh man, I really wish that there were slots for this, because I've literally lost the attachments for this one. They are buried somewhere because they just don't sit with the vacuum in any way. I have to put them on shelves or in drawers or something. But when I tell you, as soon as I saw these little pieces on the charging station here, I absolutely knew this vacuum was a win for me. Meanwhile, this bad boy right here, the Klarpul, a lot more difficult to store. It can be wall mounted, but that requires drilling, and even so wouldn't even fit the attachments. Plus no instant charging. I have to remove this battery right here and plug it in and then reattach it to the vacuum, which is a lot more inconvenient than just being able to put this vacuum right on the docking station and call it a day. I basically have to recharge this thing after every use too. With cordless vacuums, this isn't too abnormal because they are very powerful, and so the battery life will dwindle faster than one that's plugged in, of course, because they don't even have a battery. So it's a lot of work after every single time having to plug in that battery. Meanwhile, I just dock this one and I'm done, and it's got a great battery life at 55 minutes. And don't even get me started on the manual dustbin emptying. I gotta press this button, I gotta dig around, get all that gunk out, but I think it's about time. Let me show you how this one works. All right, y'all, my floor's a bit overdue for a cleaning. Literally, I just went to my bedroom and cleaned for 2 minutes and got all this gunk, so let me show you the auto dustbin collection now. So to dock it, I just have to insert it right in place. You'll hear it click down. And there it goes, sucking all that gunk right up and into our dustbin right down here. Beyond convenient. Meanwhile, I'm pressing buttons, I'm digging things out with my fingers, removing batteries, charging them. The docking station does it all. Plus that dust collection is fully automatic and being sealed down in that disposable bag right there without any manual handling prevents that secondary bit of just stuff floating up in the air. Literally just takes care of it all right here. Meanwhile, this, should I show you? I don't even want to do it because it's so not fun, but I will. Yeah, not too pretty. So now I have to scoop out all of this gunk. Ugh. Yes, I should be doing this with gloves. Gross. Plus there's still so much there that I would just have to reach in and grab. It's nasty. Okay, I need to go wash my hands really quick. So glad that that isn't how a thing of the past for me. And as you saw too, super clogged up, just really gunky. This even has that floating dust scraping ring that automatically removes dust, prevents hair tangling, avoids that fine dust buildup, and just keeps that filter clog free. And as you all know, once it gets clogged up, that suction is going to decrease. With this one, never gonna happen. Now let's show some of that cleaning in action, shall we? Right here is going to be our power button. You'll just press that to turn it on in 3 separate modes: Eco, Standard, and Boost. And then just press again to turn it off. Very powerful 50 kPa suction for deep cleaning of dust and debris. And with those 3 adjustable modes, you can meet all the different needs of your house. I really only need Eco or Standard for my hardwood, and then I can raise it if I need to for carpets. All vacuums are gonna be a little bit louder, but I'm quite pleased with the noise of this one. It feels a lot lower, it's below 76 decibels, and I'm obsessed with the green light at the end of this. Like literally, my floor looks kind of just fine here for the most part, not clean, but you turn on the green light, and just all of that gunk, you can see it all. And it gets so much worse in different parts of my home. Yeah, look at that. Green light off, nothing. Green light on, everything. And I love how it just gets sucked up so instantly. My bathroom in here always gets lots of hair. I love as well that the green light has this nice wide angle. Very easy to see everything. Now I can raise that mode get it more powerful on my rug here. Suck up some of that cat litter over by my litter box. Look at that, it's picking up so much. Bunch of cat fur over here, all gone. Let's tackle it on carpet now. I'm gonna lower the mode a little bit on some of my hard floors. It's a lot quieter here too. I'm always getting stuff under my bar stool right here. And I think I'm about done. Lots of gunk successfully collected. Truly so fast and convenient. Now let's compare against the Klarpul. I'm gonna press the power button. This one just has that white light. Not very wide either, but I can definitely still see a little bit with it, but not nearly at the level of the green light. The green light honestly shows me everything. It's crazy. This one still has the 3 modes, but the section is still a lot less powerful, especially with how annoying it is to fix my clogged up filter. Battery life draining fast. It was just at 80, now it's at 70. This one definitely does not last the 55 minutes of the UWANT. It's a lot closer to say 20 to 30. Honestly, even just looking at these side by side, it's really easy to see which one is our winner. And I think that's gonna sum it up. I would 100% recommend the UWANT V500. It's an excellent vacuum featuring that all-in-one docking station that allows it to charge, to store the vacuum and the attachments, as well as perform that automatic dust removal, all within a very space-saving compact design that definitely adds a very, very minimal footprint compared to the size of the vacuum itself. It will take up a tiny bit of extra space, but with the benefits of it, so worth it. I love the green light, I love the power, I love the different modes, and I am about to throw that Klarpul one out. This is gonna be my new vacuum, and I am so excited about it. Give it a try, and I hope you love it just as much, if not more, than I do.